Hello everyone, welcome in this channel, and in this video today I am going to talk about pancreatic juice. Introduction of pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice is a secretion of exocrine part of the pancreas. Pancreas is a dual organ, endocrine as well as exocrine glands. This part is pancreatic juice is due to exocrine part, which consists of about 99% of pancreatic mass. Daily secretion is 1 to 1.5 liters per day. Pancreatic juice is transparent, alkaline and isotonic with plasma. It is alkaline due to high concentration of bicarbonate ions. Then composition, water is 99.5% and 0.5% is solid, that is inorganic. The main anions are bicarbonate and chloride ions. The main cations are sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium. Then organic substances. Organic substances consist of little amount of mucin. Then enzymes. Enzymes, pancreatic alpha amylase, pancreatic lipase, pancreatic esterase and pancreatic prophospholipase A. Proenzymes are trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, ribonuclease and proelastine. Then trypsin inhibitors are also secreted from acids. A little amount of some amount of mucin is also present in this pancreatic juice. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.